Everyone, it's my birthday.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday. Happy birthday to you.
Today, on my birthday, I just want to thank myself to being strong, patient, and brave to face everything. Many things have pended whole this year, and I am grateful, oh God, for giving me chances to always improve myself. Happy birthday to me. I will never forget to love myself.
Ready? Let's go. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday to you.
Ready? Let's go. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday to you.
Hi, Ate Imelda. Happy birthday. Sorry, hindi ka na namin nagawa ng dance kasi na-busy ng DMT dancers. Alam mo naman, yung iba nag-celebrate ng Christmas nila. At duman yung New Year, ayun, medyo busy talaga ang lahat. So, yung last rehearsal namin, December 20. So, mag-resume kami ng January 4. So, sana maintindihan mo. Again, happy birthday sa'yo. Good health. Sana matupad na yung talagang minimiti mo pagdating sa love life. Yung plano yung dalawa, sana matupad na. Siyempre, kasama ang DMD dancers. Okay, sana makasayaw ka na namin soon. And thank you so much sa mga tulong na binigay mo sa DMD. Lalo na yung first year anniversary namin. Again, happy birthday. Bye.